The operating mode 3D ground scan provides a graphical measurement of the underground. This 3D scan image can be further analyzed with OKM's detection software Visualizer 3D Studio. Start the OKM Rover UC app and select the operating mode 3D ground scan from the main menu. Select Default to use the preset parameters that we recommend for fast scans. Confirm the settings by pressing Start Scan. Now, the app is ready to record the first scan line. Go to your starting point of the first scan line and press the trigger on the probe. As soon as you press the trigger, the detector will record scan values. Keep walking until you reach the end of the first scan line. Press the trigger. In parallel mode, all scan lines head into the same direction. Return to your first starting point and take one step to the left. This is the starting point of your next scan line. Press the trigger to start. The scan image is generated during the measurement. Walk until you reach the end of the scan line. Now, the app stops automatically. Perform as many scan lines as you like. Go to the starting point of the next scan line and press the trigger to start measuring. The display indicates the number of your current scan line and the number of measured impulses per scan line. When you're done, tap on Finish Scan, Save Scan, and enter the field length and width. Confirm by tapping on Save Scan. After finishing and saving your 3D ground scan, you can view your scan image directly on the smartwatch. You can also transfer the scan files to Visualizer 3D Studio. With the Rover UC magnetometer mode, you can detect metal objects near the surface. This mode is used to clean the scan field before performing a 3D ground scan. First, power on the probe. Start the Rover UC app and select magnetometer. You will get immediate scan results with acoustic and visual feedback as well as vibration. Move the probe slowly in any direction. Forwards, backwards, to the right and to the left. Keep the probe straight in vertical orientation. For a visual target indication, have a look at the smartwatch. If the signal becomes unstable, stop moving the probe and tap on the ground balance icon or on the trigger on the probe. As soon as the Rover UC detects a strong signal, the scan values will increase and reach its peak directly above the target object. The red signals moving up are positive magnetic poles of ferromagnetic objects. The blue signals moving down indicate negative magnetic poles. This operating mode allows you to pinpoint potential targets more precisely. First, power on the probe. Start the Rover UC app and select PINPOINTER. You will get immediate scan results visualized in the OKM Rover UC app. Move the probe slowly in any direction. OKM's PINPOINTER mode offers a basic target discrimination between ferromagnetic and non-ferromagnetic metals as well as tunnels and voids. A positive amplitude can indicate a ferrous metal object or non-ferrous metal like gold or silver. The typical signature of a ferromagnetic metal like iron includes a positive and a negative amplitude. The order depends on the direction of probe movement. The signature of non-metallic targets and structures such as voids, tunnels or buried boxes are represented as negative amplitudes.